is our finished product on a plate. So our delicious quiche. You can see all the ingredients, a layer of ingredients, a sausage. You can use turkey sausage, you can use pork sausage, you can use whatever kind of sausage you want. And got the onions in there, the celery, not the celery, the bell peppers, and all the great ingredients. And you've got your side order of avocados and orange juice. What a perfect breakfast. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ella Dishes It Out. Today I'm going to be making some breakfast egg pies, or quiche. You can call it quiche. So it's going to have spinach, onions, bell peppers, and garlic, and I think that's it. So and eggs, of course. So we're going to get started. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we've got our pan here. We've got our 2 pie crust shells over here in the corner. They're thawing out. Okay, so we've got spinach, chopped bell peppers, and chopped white onions, and chopped shallots. All this, okay? So to that, we're going to start with our eggs. We're going to crack every egg. I have 12 eggs here. We're going to use all 12 of them. I'm going to use this towel to put the cracked shells on so I can throw them away when I'm done. Okay, so we're just going to crack each egg. That's 6, 7, 8. Careful not to get any shells in there. You don't want shells in your food. 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay. Put those aside. Now, we're going to just flip up these eggs. And I hope I have enough eggs to fill both of those pie crust shells. We shall see. All right, so, oh, I forgot one important ingredient, and that is our sausage. So, I'm going to go get the sausage. Do you guys like my t-shirt? It says social distancing expert. That's me. I'm staying at home, being socially distant. Only time I go out is to go to the grocery store, pick up supplies, and that's about it. All right, I'm gonna go get the sausage meat. Hold on. Okay, I already cooked the sausage. As you can see, I already cooked it. I'm just gonna pour it in there with my eggs, if I can hold this skillet. Oh, well, it's got a handle like that. Makes it easy to pour. I wonder if that's what that was made for. I don't know. But, hey, makes my life easier. All right, so we got that done. Put that to the side. Okay, and next we're going to add our vegetables. So we're gonna add our spinach. Okay, we're going to add all of our spinach. Take that fork out of there. We're going to add our bell peppers. Now you can add some red bell peppers to this to give it a little color too as well, or yellow. But the eggs are yellow, so that really won't make a difference. But when the eggs cook, of course, they're going to plump up in the pie crust. So I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees. Okay, I've got all the vegetables ready. I'm going to preheat my oven next to 350 degrees. I'm going to do that right now. So you preheat your oven to 350 degrees and get it started so that by the time you're ready to pour the pie shells in the pie crust, it'll be ready to go. Okay, so I'm just gonna stir this up. Stir it up. That's all you have to do. Stir, stir, stir. So it looks like I'm gonna need some more eggs. So I'm gonna grab some more eggs out of the fridge. So hold on. That's kind of thick. That mixture's a little bit too thick for me. And also you can add some cheese. So I'm gonna grab some cheese too to put in this mixture. Okay, I got some cheese, I got some Italian cheese, and I got some sharp cheddar cheese. Italian and sharp cheddar, that's what I'm gonna add also to this mixture to make it really, really great. It'll be a great breakfast quiche. Okay, gonna add some more eggs. Probably maybe 4 more eggs. This is a really thick mixture. Oops, got some shells in there, so you gotta be careful about that. I'm gonna pull these shells out. A couple shells in there. All right, so there, I don't see any more shells. Okay, grab another egg. I don't know why these eggs are so slippery, or is it my fingers slippery? Okay, and that's 4 eggs. Let me stir this up and see how this is looking with the 4 eggs in there. So that's a total of 12 plus 4, 16 eggs that I used in this recipe. So make sure you have a lot of eggs on hand when you get ready to make this recipe. I think that's enough eggs. So what we're gonna do, let's see, is we're gonna pour them in a pie crust shell. So you take a pie crust shell. Wait, I forgot to add my cheese. Okay, so let's add the cheese. I love cheese in my breakfast quiche. Add about a half a cup of whatever flavored cheese you want. Like I said, I'm using cheddar and Italian. The Italian style has a mixture of mozzarella, provolone, parmesan, romano, fontino, and asiago cheese. So that's like 5 or 6 different cheeses right there in this Italian blend. And I got this from Walmart, so it's nothing special. Probably cost maybe a couple of dollars at the most. Okay, then we're gonna add some cheese on top too. Put some cheese inside, and we're gonna put a little bit of cheese on top once we've got it in a skillet. Okay, I mean in our pan, pie crust shell. Okay, so bring this pie crust shell over here. I need a fork because I need to punch some holes in it. So let me grab my fork. Okay, so we're just gonna punch some holes at the bottom and on the sides. That helps keep the pastry from puffing up when it's cooking. I'm not gonna preheat this pastry because it's gonna cook in the oven for a while, so I don't want these edges to get all burnt. So that's why I'm not pre-cooking my pie crust. Some recipes call for you to do that, but I'm not doing that with this one. I don't want the edges to be burned or super dark, super brown. Okay, so we're ready to pour it in the pie crust shells. Let's do the first one. Okay, we're gonna do half of this mixture in there. Then we're gonna pour half of the mixture in this one. Gotta make sure this doesn't fall over. Okay, so a little bit more in there, a little bit more in here. You want it to be full so it'll be a thick pie. I actually have extra left over, so I'm gonna just put it in a small skillet. So you do it like that. The extra I have left over, I'm going to, like I said, I'm just gonna put it in a small skillet, about that big, and cook it in the oven. Let me grab the skillet so you'll know what I'm talking about. Okay, skillet, where are you? Honey. get you. There you are. Okay. So, I actually have 2 small skillets, but I don't think I'm going to need both of them. But anyway, at any rate, I'm just going to pour this egg mixture in here. A small skillet. I think it'll all fit in this one. Yep. It all fit in there. Okay, next process will be to top it off with some more cheese. So I'm going to top it off with this Italian cheese. Just like so. Top it off with your Italian cheese. Just like so. All right, put a little bit more light onto the subject because it seemed like I was in the dark a little bit. So I'm gonna move these eggs over here. So I can put them away. You guys can see better what I'm doing. Okay, you can see what I'm doing now better. Put some more cheese on this, and then they're going straight to the oven. Cover up the entire thing with the cheese. So every bite will have a delicious piece of cheese on it. Every slice. Okay, so just spread that out. A bit more cheese. You can spread it out. Your hands. A bit more cheese on here. Now, like I said, this egg is going to puff up, so that's why I'm putting the cheese on top to kind of keep it from overflowing. It's another reason to keep it from flowing out into your oven. That is another reason I do it that way. Put it all the way around the edges. And that pie crust shell. I've just about used this whole bag. Yep. That's the entire bag. So now it's ready for the oven. And all you do is just pop it in the oven. So we're going to pop it in the oven for about, I don't know, I'm going to start out with like 30 minutes and see where we go from there. Alrighty, we'll be back. Okay, we're back. So we're gonna go ahead and pull out our quiches and see how they're doing. I'm gonna turn the oven off because I believe they're ready. So let's just turn that off. And here we go. Opening the oven. Oh yeah, they look delicious. Okay, I'm gonna take them out for you guys to see. There's one. And there's 2. They're nice and brown. And the smaller one already cooked. I'm gonna bring that over here so you can see what it looks like. This is a smaller one. Let me turn the lights on. Put some light on the subject. All right, so this is a smaller one. And this is the 2 bigger ones. So we're not gonna slice the big ones right now. I'm gonna slice the small one. So let me grab a knife. All right, so let's see what this looks like. Cut it into 4 pieces. This is without the crust. Let you guys see what it looks like. Doesn't that look piping hot and delicious? Look at that. That nice crust. That's your breakfast, and this will last you. One pie will probably last a whole week. Will last me a whole week. So I'm gonna keep 1 pie and I'm gonna give away 1 pie. I'm gonna taste this pie. Let me grab a plate. Okay, I'm gonna put this pie on this plate. You guys are gonna watch me taste it. All right, so here we go. It's hot. Mmm. So good. Just don't know. That's so good. Okay, guys. I want to thank you for tuning in to Ella Dishes It Out. Come back for more great recipes. And as always, bon appetit. Goodbye.